Hello students, our next topic is percentage. We have already learned about percentage in our previous classes. We often use the statements like I scored 89% marks in my maths test. The price of all vegetables are higher by 10% this year. So, but what do you mean by percent? Here, what is per cent? Per cent. Cent means 100. We are talking about per 100 means suppose we have a square like a square and we are dividing into 100 parts, 100 equal parts, and we are shading like suppose only 10. So we are shading 10 up, your shaded part is 10 upon 100. So this 10 upon 100 is called 10% per 100. We are shading 10 per 100. This per 100 is 10%. So the symbol of percentage is this is a symbol of percentage, and the meaning of this percentage symbol is 1 upon 100. So we can convert any number into percentage, like we can convert into 100, we can convert into decimal, percentage to decimal, decimal to percentage, and so on. So let's see, if you find a percentage of 30 upon 100, if you want to convert into percentage, so it's very simple. If dividing by 100 1 to 100, so we can write directly 30%, means if you divide by 100, so you will get the percentage. Like 5 upon 4 we have to convert into percentage, so it's very simple. So you have to convert into 100, so you have to multiply 25 by 25. So if you multiply, you will get 125 upon 100, or you can write 125%. Another method we have, now we will multiply by 100%. If you multiply in any number by 100%, so you will get the percentage. So we will cut by 4 ones are 4, and this will be 25 times. So 5 multiply 25, then percent, it's 125%. Now can we convert percentage into fraction? Yes. If like a 30%, we have to convert into fraction. So 30, remove the percentage sign, divide by 100. Now simplify, we will cut short. If you cut by 10, so 3 upon 10. So 3 upon 10 is a simplest form of this 30% in the fraction. Can we convert decimal number to percentage? Yes. It's like 3.56. We have to convert it into percentage. So 3.56 multiplied by 100%. Multiply by this 100 in decimal. So here decimal places 1 2, and there is 100. If you multiply by 100, so 1 time, 2 time, decimal will shift right side 2 time. So 356%. So you can convert decimal to percentage, percentage to decimal, fraction to decimal. We already learned about it. Now let's start your exercise. Exercise 14b, question number first. Write each percent as decimal. We are converting percent to decimal. So the symbol of percent is 1 upon 100. So we will write 25. 1 upon 100 means 25 upon 100. Now 1 2, put the decimal 1 2, so you will get 0.25. we have already learned in decimal. Now 5%, so 5 divided by 100. So here 1 2 1, 0.05, 2 decimal place we required, like 7.8 upon 100. Now here already the decimal is there, so decimal will shift 2 time, 1 time, 2 time. So here you will get 0.078. It's very simple to convert percentage to decimal by dividing 100. Now question number second is write each percent as a fraction in simplest form. Percentage to fraction. So 22 upon 100. Now you will get numerator and denominator. If you divide by 100 at the place of percentage, simplify by 2, it's 11 upon 10. This is the simplest form. If you want to convert into mixed fraction, you can convert. 10 1 the 10 plus 1 11, 1 and 1 upon 10. Here 12.5 divided by 100. Now we have to remove the decimal. If you remove the decimal from here, now if you remove the decimal, you will put 0 here. So you will get 125 divided by 1000. Convert into decimal. You can directly shift decimal like this also. So 1 2 3 1 2 3. So 0.125. If you don't want to remove, directly 1 2 two places will shift left side. So you will get the same answer, 0.125. Question number I. 6 and 1 upon 4%. We have to convert into decimal. First of all, convert into improper. 6 multiply 4 plus 1 upon 4%. Now 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25 upon 4. Now percentage, convert right, divide by 1 upon 100. If you multiply by 4, now you can solve cut short also, but I am writing here decimal 1 2. So 1 2 0.25 by 4. Now divide this decimal number by 4. So 0.25 by 4. So we'll write 0. Now put here, bring down 2, again bring down 5. So we'll require 2 0 again. So divide by 4. 4 6 are 24, 6 are. Now if you subtract, you will get here 1. Now put 0, again divide by 4. So 10 8. So you will get 2. It's 2 time. Then put 0. It's 20. 0 0. At the last you will get 5, because 5 4s are 20. So now put the decimal 1 2 1 2. So here you will get 6.2. Question number 3. Write each of the following as a percent. Fraction to percentage. It's very simple. 3 upon 4. If you multiply 100%, so directly you can solve. 1 is 25 times. So 3 multiply 25% is 3. 25 3s are 75%. Now question D. Convert into mixed to improper. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 3, 23 upon 5. Multiply by 100%. So you will get in percentage. 5 1s are 5 is 20 times. 23 multiply 20%. 23 to the 46. 23 to the 46 and then 0. So here you will get 460%. Now this decimal 0.7 multiply by 100%. If you multiply by decimal in 100, so decimal will shift right side. So 1 time 2 time, so you will get 70%. Question number 7. Find the value of 50% of 200. It's very simple. 100, because the 50% of 200 rupees is 100 rupees. So with the help of method, percentage convert into divide by 100. Of means multiply. Then 200. 100 1 100. 100 2s are 250 multiply 2. So you will get 100. Now question number D, mix 2. We have to mix 2 improper first. 12 to the 24 plus 1, 25 upon 2, multiply by, if you convert into multiply by 100 here, then this multiply 900, 100 ones are 100, 100 9s are 900, so 25 multiply by 9 divided by 2. If you multiply here, so 5 9s are 45, then carry over 4, 5 9s are 5, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 4, 22 upon 2. Now divide, so it's one time, this one time, like 2 2 5. If you divide by 1, so 2 ones are 2, you get 0, bring down 2, 2 ones are 2, then 0, bring down 5, 2 2s are 4, subtract, so you will get here 1. Now put the decimal and 0, it's 5 times, so 10 0 0, so your answer will be 112.5. 12 and 1 upon 2% of 900 is 112.5.